How to make Italian eggs with a twist by adding black pudding and mozzarella. Grab an onion, some peppers and garlic, and you want to slice it lengthways. In a frying pan, add olive oil, heat up on a medium heat. From there, add the vegetables to the pan and cook for about 10 minutes until the vegetables are softened. Season with some salt and pepper. Once the veg softens, scrape to one side of the pan, and on the other side of the pan, add some more olive oil. Add a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of paprika, and a wee touch of some chilli. Mix the spices with the olive oil. And then combine all your softened vegetables with the spices. Pour some passata to the pan. I'm using passata with basil through it for added flavour. Give that a mix and let that reduce. Drizzle some honey or sprinkle some sugar to take away the acidity. Add some black pudding to the sauce and give that a mix. In the sauce, create a little hole where you'll be cracking the egg into that hole. Add some sliced mozzarella on top of the sauce and let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Finish that off under a grill. Keep an eye on it because you still want to keep your yolk runny. Once cooked, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over that. Cut up some crusty bread and you've got yourself a tasty, nutritious dish. Let me know how you get on and give this a like.